Hey guys, I'm back. I definitely left you guys on a little bit of a cliffhanger. I just genuinely needed some time to myself. I genuinely just needed a break. I was definitely getting sick, and it just was one of those things where I was like, you know what? I'm going to give myself some time to recoup, revamp, relax, sleep, eat healthy. I feel like really needing some space, and I'm so happy and grateful that you guys understood and were so patient with me. Vlogmas is such an intense time of the year, holidays in general, but on top of that, having to vlog and be on every single day, it can be so exhausting without even realizing it. It takes a lot out of you. I think I was really at a little bit of a breaking point where I just needed to separate myself from that. I still was able to do so much. Like, I got so much work done. I was reading finally for the first time in a while. I did a lot of skincare, no makeup, no like heat to my hair. I just did like a little bit of a detox. I even did no coffee for a bit. Didn't last long, only a few days, but I did it. And I'm proud of myself for doing it. But I basically just wanted to hop on here and say that I read through so many of your guys' comments on my video when I said I was quitting Vlogmas. Like you guys already know, I've never not fully completed a Vlogmas before, so that felt really weird for me to do. And scrolling through your guys' comments literally almost made me cry because you guys were so sweet and understanding. It made me feel so connected to you guys. It made me feel like you guys care, which I know you do, but sometimes it's nice to just have a reminder. And your comments really meant everything to me. It was so sweet. It kind of reminded me why I love what I'm doing. I just wanted to say a huge thank you because I'm feeling so much better. I am feeling rejuvenated. I am planning on jumping back into the Vlogmas grind. I know it wasn't ideal. Usually I do every single day, but this was necessary for me, and I am so grateful to you guys for understanding that. So anyways, diving back into Vlogmas day, whatever it is, but here's a little recap on what I was up to for the last handful of days. As you guys know, I have been taking a few days to myself, which has been so great. I definitely got a little run down, came down with a cold, and we're bouncing back. And thought I would celebrate that by doing a little home cooking. Alicia and I, around this time of year every year, slowly stop cooking from home, which is one of our favorite things to do. And I'm really excited to be getting back into that today with Green Chef. Obviously, I am not in any mood to try to look up a recipe right now or try to figure out what I need or go grocery shopping. I am not in any mood to do that. Thank God Green Chef is here. All I have to do is do what they say. In general, one of my favorite things to do actually is cook. I find it very therapeutic. I find it relaxing and calming. I love listening to an audiobook or a podcast while I do it, or music. If I'm feeling a little better, usually I'll enjoy like a glass of wine while I do it, and I very much make it a ritual and make it an experience. I love cooking healthy meals. I love cooking clean meals, and that's one of the reasons I'm very excited to be partnering with Green Chef, because Green Chef is a USDA certified organic company. They have all kinds of dishes that can fit you, ranging from keto, paleo, vegan, vegetarian, fast and fit, Mediterranean, whatever you're looking for, Green Chef has. Usually Alicia and I like to cook dinner together, but she's actually working right now, so I thought I would just kind of surprise her and make dinner for her. Today I'm going to be trying the creamy chicken with caper sauce. It comes with yummy chicken on top of greens, as well as acorn squash, which I am a huge fan of acorn squash, and I haven't had it in a really long time, so I think I'm most excited for that. Again, the best thing about Green Chef is you don't have to leave your house. It comes to you. It comes with all the ingredients you need and a very detailed list of instructions to follow so that you can't mess up, which is fantastic because I'm not a chef. I enjoy cooking, but I am by no means a chef, so I need stuff like this to ensure that it comes out okay. Green Chef lets you choose from a wide variety of options for every lifestyle. Recipes are easy to follow with step-by-step instructions, chef tips, and photos to guide you along the way. Everything is handpicked and delivered right to your door. Ingredients come in pre-measured, perfectly portioned, and mostly prepped. Green Chef's expert chefs curate every recipe with over 35 meal choices every week, and with the flexibility to switch options, you'll never have to sacrifice taste for nutrition. And then another reason I love Green Chef is because it's a mostly sustainable meal kit, which is awesome, and more companies need to do this. It offsets 100% of plastic use with every box, and 100% of their carbon footprints and emissions, which is just amazing and should be applauded. Guys, here's the finished product, and I have to dive into the acorn squash. Oh my God, it's so good. I need more. I always forget that I love squash. Okay guys, so for 10 free meals plus free shipping, just go to greenchef.us/Ashley10 and enter code Ashley10, and you're gonna get to try this or another amazing meal. And I'm very excited for you guys. Again, greenchef.us/Ashley10. Oh, wow. We haven't had like dinner together in a long time. I know. Not including ordering food. I know. Like, this is so much cheaper. God bless Green Chef. Looks amazing. Wow.